Hello friends, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about noise control panels. So these control panels have been developed by mimicking natural beehives. Okay, so these control panels are very good at controlling the noise pollution. Now you must know that beehives naturally they are capable of controlling high frequency ranges and low frequency ranges also. So on the same lines we have developed paper honeycomb structures and polymer honeycomb structures. So these structures can be used in construction in buildings, and these are very effective in controlling the noise pollution. So let's try to know the science behind it, how it happens. See, because of the geometry, these structures can convert the acoustical energy to vibration energy. Okay, and we lose this vibration energy gets dissipated because of the heat. Okay, because of the heat. So you have to understand that conversion of acoustical energy to vibration energy, and this vibration energy gets dissipated in the form of this vibration energy gets dissipated in the form of heat because of wall damping properties of these structures. Okay, so these structures have been created by mimicking the natural beehives. Just remember this thing. And conversion of acoustic and acoustical energy to vibration energy, this conversion is taking place, and this vibration energy we lose it because of the dissipation of the heat. Okay, so this is the science behind it. Now you must know what is acoustic energy. See, acoustic energy, you must be knowing about the sound energy. So when it passes through any medium, it passes in the form of waves. It creates the vibrations. So sound energy is the example of acoustic energy. So movement of energy, okay, in the form of waves. So when it is passing through any medium, it is passing in the form of waves. Okay, so it is creating the vibrations. Okay, and because of the structure that we have, is because of these structures, we are losing this vibration energy in the form of heat. As a result, now we are getting low frequency ranges. Okay, and this is how the noise can be controlled. Okay, so this is the science behind this concept. So you can download the notes regarding this news. We will attach the link in the description box. From the prelims perspective, just remember about acoustic energy, conversion of acoustic energy into vibration energy, and then remember that we lose this vibration energy in the form of heat because of the geometry. So it is because of the structure that we have. So structure is playing a big role behind this concept. So if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. And we upload daily current affairs on our various social media platforms, so you can follow all those social media platforms. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.